welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make twist and lock with the natural hair, and this style is so easy. It can last you up to 3 to 4 weeks. From the second week it starts to look like dread, so you could just play around with it, and then for the takedown you just have to unravel it one after the other. Please subscribe, give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, share this video with your friends, and let's just get started. Okay, so first off, I started with a freshly washed hair, so it could be damp, and I'll be using the Eco Styler gel. So I'm just going to apply it in sections. I parted my hair into 4 sections, and I'll be applying it little by little.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I'm going to finger part it and then start to swirl it around my finger. As you can see, just swirl and swirl, and yeah, we have a juicy curl. Like, look how juicy that is. I started the front section with tiny strands, so it could be fuller at the front, and then the back I made it a little bit bigger. So this is just basically what you do. You just, get your hair damp. If it's getting dried, you just spray some water and then just swirl, as you can see, and then you have your juicy curl. Yo, watch how my hair shrinks back. Also, if you're having a residue of gel around your hair, if you're having, just gel all over, it's going to get dried, so you don't have to worry about that. To get dried and you won't see the residue. When you're done twisting, you could just leave it to air dry, or you blow dry it, whichever one you prefer. Right here, I'm done with the first section of the front, and then I'm just going to repeat the same thing with the back. Just spray my hair with the water to get it damp, and then put some gel. Use enough gel, then you just swirl and you have your curl.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Give me a shake, and a flip.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I made the C parts, but I think it went the other way. It was supposed to go the other way, if you get what I'm saying. But it still came out okay though, so yeah, it's okay, it's fine.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create the sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And we have a twist and look. You see how easy was that? So easy. Like, this could be your go-to hairstyle if you want to escape combing your hair, or maybe you just got out of a protective style and you just want to let your hair out and just, you know, this is so easy, and it's easy to take down. You just spray some water and unravel it one after the other. Don't comb everything at once, you know, just unravel it one after the other. Also, this style only took me about 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes plus my playtime and all. Please don't forget to subscribe because it makes me happy. Make a girl happy. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.